All right, guys. Got the head studs for the ppump 6.7 that we're doing for the shorty. Just thought, I've never opened one of these. Well, I have opened the box. I had to sneak peek, but I just wanted to show you guys opening the box. The box on these things is way bigger than the 12 valve box, and I don't know about so these are the higher end head studs from Xotic, which are like, they're supposed to be comparable to the 625 head studs. So there again, I've never used these before. This is the first time I'll be using them. Same with the 12 valve ones. That was the first time I'd used them. We're going to give them a whirl, just see what happens. You know, like the price difference between these and the ARPs is not a huge difference. There is a difference, a few $100s, don't get me wrong. But I just wanted to try a set. I'd prefer, you know, trying this type of stuff. If I'm going to try it, I'd rather try it on my own, not on somebody else's. At least that way, if it blows a head gasket, I just have to do a head gasket. It's not a huge deal. So anyways, you get into the instructions. The instructions on just the same like they were. Actually, I do like the instructions they give. For guys that have never done it, they give a, you know, like a relatively detailed setup. So anyways, I was just reading something there, but I do like the instructions. They're a lot nice. I think they're nicer than the ARP instructions. You know, and it comes with a sticker. Packing. The only thing I did notice though is that it doesn't have as big of container or a big of thing of lube as the 12 valve. And I know the 12 valve, yeah, you have the same amount of bolts, but I just thought it was weird that the package was small. But anyways, I think that'll be enough to do it anyway. So it's not the end of the world. But they do have them packaged nice. They have them individually packaged in these plastic tubes. And, you know, they look nice. Like the finish on them is nice. The thread looks nice. The broaching looks nice. So, I don't know. They look reasonable for, you know, they don't look bad. They don't look cheap. Something I did notice is same with the other ones, that the nuts. Get these caps off. Oh, they're stuck in there. I guess you got to watch for that. The washers. Oh, actually, these washers look pretty good. The washers from the other kits, the other kit wasn't as nice looking. These ones are actually nice looking. And then the nuts. Let's just take a look at the nut. There's something else it does. These kits do, which I think is kind of cool. Comes with the socket, and well, there's two sets of. And we're going to put these in. Just knock these out. They do, you know, they are packaged well. I'll give them that. Which for the price, it's nice that they're packaged well. They come with the socket, and then they come with the Allen key to, you know, for you guys, if you're putting them in and you don't have the tool, it comes with the sockets to put them in. You know, it's a little bit of an upside, I guess, if you've never done it. I guess if you're doing 625s in something, you've probably done it before. Most guys don't step right to 625s, but you know, some guys might. Anyways, this is that was it. You know, there isn't really a lot to talk about it. We'll see how they torque up on the ppump 6.7, and you know, time will tell whether they're going to last. Like I said, they do look nice. The finish is nice. Guess we'll find out. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.